Battles for mating rights ring out across the country. But one contest is the stuff of legend. Young bighorn rams have been sparring for weeks, testing each other and training for the prize fight. The favorite, a cocky 7-year-old ram. He's been sexually mature since he was 2, and he's tired of waiting. But to win the females, he'll have to take on the title holder, older, bigger, and battle-scarred. The reigning king has no intention of giving up his crown. A storm sweeps into the Rocky Mountains. Lunging at 20 miles an hour, they collide with 800 pounds of force. Double-layered skulls reinforced with heavy-boned struts and shock-absorbing air pockets protect the brain from the massive collisions. The endless fight is taking its toll on the old ram, but he refuses to give in. One final blow, and the king is brought to his knees. His reign over, he may never mate again.